Number 4. The diagram shows a single-celled organism called Euglena, which labeled structures would also be found in an animal cell. So animal cell has several organelles that you guys should know. The first one is, of course, nucleus, containing DNA, and it controls the cell activity. Mitochondria is the common one as well. Ribosomes are also common, and cytoplasm is also common organism. Surrounded by cell membrane. It does not have chloroplasts, nor does it have large permanent vacuole. So these two are the answers. Oh, not the answers actually. You have to exclude these, and the rest are the answers. So nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane. So the answer should be C.